Sean, it's airplane, and let's go. And so they pushed us, and then my dad pushed us. My mom got in, my brothers got in, I got in, and then they closed the door. And it was like sardines in that C-46.
The communist forces took over Longjiang on May 15, 1975, and seized power in the capital of Vientiane just 3 months later. As one war ended for the Hmong, another began. The communists had declared that the Hmong were to be hunted and killed because they worked for the much-hated United States. If they surrendered and cooperated, they would be sent to seminar or re-education camps.
Indoctrination, torture, deprivation, food deprivation especially, where you're giving, just very minimal rice and water, called in daily to be beaten, psychologically tortured, where they would pull the gun to you.